just entertain yourself for a bit," said Mum. It's just a box, I don't want to pretend. I really don't need an imaginary friend. It's square and it's small and it's made of wood. There's nothing more than that to be understood. It doesn't talk, it doesn't dance, it doesn't sing or shout. There's nothing really there to get excited about. I don't really like it when there's lots and lots of people getting tied up in imaginary knots. Life is more simple when it's just a box. It's not just a box, and if you pretend, it could be a house for your imaginary friend.